MathFacts Pro's Mars Defense is a focused MathFact video game we made to make MathFact practice more fun. It is exclusive to the paid side, but is included in the free 30-day trial. Each day, the student must first do one session's worth of facts correctly, then they can play Mars Defense to their heart's content all day long. If they want to do multiple sessions, such as doing the assessment practice in school and then playing Mars Defense at home, after logging in subsequent times on the same day, they will need to first do one fact and then they can click the results button. The button to play Mars Defense on the results page will be activated. Mars Defense uses the data from the assessment practice both today and in the past to determine which facts need the most practice. If students play multiple times in the same day, they'll become more and more familiar with those facts, so their scores will rise. The next day, a new assessment practice period will measure progress and assign a new set of fact priorities. The game is designed to be very efficient with very little time spent not answering facts. The data generated by the game is different than that of the assessment practice because there are often multiple facts on the screen simultaneously, so it can be impossible to know which fact was missed. Therefore, this data is not displayed in their MathFact grid, although the correct answers are included in the practice history's number of facts practiced correctly red line graph, and those counted for today, yesterday, this week, and last week. Students tend to get much more engaged in Mars Defense. Students who play do the equivalent of an extra session just for fun, so we definitely encourage you to focus your attention on having students play the game. During development, we made a version of the game that goes up to 16 times 16 so that we could see how the game felt for students. We thought teachers would enjoy it, so we kept it. It helps you remember what it was like to be a student learning your facts with Mars Defense. It's not tied to the assessment practice, so it just assumes that you know your multiplication facts up to the 11s fairly well and that you're a little rusty on the upper 12s. It has its own high score table just for teachers. To play, log into your teacher dashboard and click the Mars Defense button in the upper right corner. Enjoy! At the end of each game, students can see their high scores, their best scores today, all time, versus other students on that operator in their class, in their school for their grade and operator, and in the world for their grade and operator. Once we make some more administrative improvements, we'll come back to making more focused MathFact video games, including games where students play against each other live on a level playing field, no matter what their ability. If you want to learn more about MathFacts Pro, check out our other videos here.